Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze next week for your next week gold trade for next week gold trading analysis. So last week I have told price reached 2100 and already reached. That is the accurate goal analysis. You can join with my Telegram link for accurate goal analysis. For last Friday, link is below. Last Friday, so labor data figures positive for US dollar. So unemployment rate dropped to the 3.7. That is the positive non-farm employment change also. So that is the positive for US dollar, and the price dropped to 2030 to 2000 level. That is the reason for positive labor data figures for US dollar and dollar demand. So that is the reason last Friday was released labor data figures. So Forex Live mentioned surprise falls in the US unemployment rate lift dollar. That is the Forex Live mentioned. So my Telegram link is below. You can join with my accurate goal analysis with signals. So link is below. You can join with it. So that is the drop last Friday with the labor data figures positive for US dollar. That's the price drop to the 2030 to 2000 level. So I am in a daily chart goal. You can see left side resistance can be supported in next week, and price this resistance can be support in next week, and some retracement and drop to the below side. So my next week target is 1980. So you have a sell opportunity again goal next week. So next week, so I am hoping price reach 1980 level. That is the my first target next week. So what is the economic events going on next week? The most important economic event is the FOMC meeting is the next week will be release will be held. That is the next week 13th Wednesday. So federal funds rates is a 5.5 is the current rate. Fed American Central Bank forecast to post the rate again 5.5. That is the Forex factory mentioned. So FOMC meeting is a key event for US dollar next week. The Fed will be hawkish with this meeting, so US dollar getting demand. That is my hoping. So I am hoping this FOMC meeting, Federal Reserve American Central Bank, will with the hawkish tone, with the Powell with the hawkish tone. So I am hoping dollar will be the demand next week. That is the most economic event next week. You will touch with this economic events. So if you are trading US dollar, so I am in a forward chart. What is the technical analysis? So let's go to the technical analysis. Some trend line breakout to the last week. You can see this trend line breakout last week, this point and this point. You have a retest point and you had a sell trade in last week. That is the trend line breakout. So technically this is a level 2030 level. You had a sell opportunity last week. That is the technical picture. So I am hoping price test and dropped with the positive labor data. Again you have a sell opportunity in this point, this area. That's the positive with the non-farm employment change data with the US dollar. So again trend line, I am seeing this type of trend line. This is the next week trend line. You will touch with this the gold trading. This is the trend line. So I am hoping this trend line break out to the below side. Thus this point is the support. This point support can be resistance, this area 2015 area 2010, and dropped and break out to this trend line. Wait for the retest, and that is the USL trade. So that is the next week. I am hoping this point you will have a trail sell trade next week, and again this point you will have a sell trade next point. So these 2 points you have a sell trade next week. This is the price sum. Wait for the breakout this trend line. This is support, can be resistance in here. That is the 2010 2015 level, and again dropped and wait for this trend line breakout and retest. Again you have a sell opportunity in next week. So wait this trend line breakout and retest for the next week. That is your dollar with the positive FOMC meeting that will have your sell trade with the gold drop to the below side. So next week I am hoping my first target 1980, and this is left side support. You can see this support level can be resistance and price some retracement to the upside and again dropped. So get the trade from the smaller time frame. Confirmation risk management is key for trading. So that is the opportunity in next week. So get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation. So thank you very much.